Hello everyone, and welcome to our health channel. Today we have a different question for you. Have you ever tried the delicious papaya? And did you know that its seeds carry a variety of health benefits, but also some surprising risks? Stay with us as we explore this intriguing topic. In today's video, we'll discuss the pros and cons of papaya seeds, sharing essential information you need to know before adding them to your diet. Let's begin this journey with a detailed analysis of the benefits of papaya seeds. They are true nutrient treasures and definitely deserve your attention. The first benefit we highlight is the protection these seeds offer to the kidneys. Keeping your kidneys healthy is essential for a full life, and papaya seeds can help in this process. These small organs are responsible for filtering blood, removing waste, balancing fluids, and maintaining your electrolytes. Studies suggest that consuming papaya seeds regularly can help prevent kidney damage, thanks to their antioxidants. The second major benefit of papaya seeds is that they are rich in antioxidants, such as polyphenol and flavonoids. These antioxidants are crucial for fighting free radicals in the body, helping to prevent oxidative stress and cellular deterioration. Moreover, papaya seeds help prevent the development of chronic diseases. Another significant benefit is that these seeds are rich in monounsaturated fats and fiber, which bring numerous health advantages. For example, fiber helps control appetite and can reduce the risk of obesity, as well as contribute to the prevention of heart disease, strokes, and diabetes. The fourth benefit we're highlighting is the ability of papaya seeds to reduce oxidative stress in the body. The antioxidants present in them prevent your cells from suffering damage caused by this type of stress. If you wish to include the seeds in your diet, it is recommended to consume between 15 to 20 fresh seeds in the morning, preferably with a bit of water. This helps the nutrients reach your bloodstream quickly, eliminating toxins from the kidneys. And let's not forget benefit number 5. Papaya seeds can help fight cancer, something advantageous not only for those at risk but for everyone. Test tube studies conducted in 2014 showed that papaya seeds reduce inflammation and protect cells against cancer. They have shown specific benefits in preventing prostate cancer, with black seeds being especially effective. However, experts warn to avoid consuming white seeds, as they may have the opposite effect. Additionally, papaya seeds also bring digestive benefits, being rich in fiber that helps the intestines function healthily, preventing issues such as constipation and inflammatory bowel diseases. The seventh benefit is the seed's ability to fight infections. Studies suggest that they are effective against fungi and parasites, protecting the body from unpleasant infections like those caused by yeast. Moreover, the extract from dried seeds has been shown to be effective in fighting intestinal parasites. While papaya seeds offer many benefits, it's important not to overconsume them. The compound benzyl isothiocyanate, present in the seeds, can be toxic in large amounts and instead of preventing cancer, could cause damage to the body's cells. Finally, it's worth mentioning that papaya seeds can negatively impact fertility. Animal studies suggest that excessive consumption of these seeds can reduce sperm count. However, it's important to note that these studies were conducted with doses much larger than a human would normally consume. More research is needed to better understand the effects of papaya seeds on humans. Now we want to know, have you ever tried papaya seeds? Would you consider trying them after learning about the pros and cons? Let